Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add dashboard pages to your Wix website. When I say dashboard pages, I don't mean pages for your users. I actually mean a page that will actually be displayed inside your dashboard for you and your site contributors. So in order to actually enable these, we actually need to turn on dev mode. So we're going to come over to dev mode and just make sure that this is turned on. Now, with these dashboard pages, you don't necessarily need to add code to them, but this is a more advanced feature, and most of these advanced features are kind of hidden inside of dev mode. So if we come over to add, we'll see that we now have this option for page, and one of the options right here is for dashboard page. So we're just going to press this little plus icon, and this little box is going to say add dashboard page. And we'll go ahead and press that. And now we can go ahead and name it wherever we want. So I'm just going to name it something ridiculous like that and press done. Perfect. And now we have this page that we can design however we want. Now, if I come over to Content Manager, go to collections, we see we have a collection for team. The first thing I want to do with this page is actually make this section kind of long. You'll notice that on this page, we don't have a header and footer. Again, this page is only for the back end of the website and it's not for actual users. So now that we have a large section to work with, I'm going to come over to add, go to list and grid and pull this repeater out onto the page just like that. Perfect. And what we can do is easily come over to add content manager dataset. We'll connect this data set to our team database, and we can easily just start connecting each one of these elements to our database. So we want to connect this to our team data set, which is this right here. And then the image can connect to the photo. This text right here can connect to the name. And then underneath that, this one can connect to job title. And just for fun, I'm going to add some text right up here at the very top. That says hello world. So now I can go ahead and press publish. And if we go to our dashboard, so if I go ahead and press site and press my dashboard, over here on the left side menu, we'll see the dashboard page that I created with this really weird name. If I click on that, our page will display right here. Now with these dashboard pages, I will say I'm a tiny bit confused as to what value this actually brings to your dashboard. You know, with code, I'm sure you can add some buttons here that allow you to add or remove team members, but you can easily just come over to the content manager and open up the database and do the same thing. Maybe you can have this custom dashboard page allow you or your contributors to easily write blog posts. However, if you have the blog added, you can easily just come over to blog and press create new post. So maybe I haven't fully wrapped my head around the value that this can bring to your dashboard. Even though this is a really cool tool, I'm still not really sure what value this can actually bring to your dashboard. If you actually use custom dashboards on your own Wix website, I'd actually love to see how you use it. And maybe I'll even create a tutorial for how to set them up to actually bring more value to your dashboard. But that's basically going to wrap it up for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.